Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to display a report, such as a sales contest report, on a Blackboard. In Focus, we call the area on the left-hand side here Blackboards. This is a great place to display daily specials, sales contest reports, your company logo, or any other valuable information. Many establishments use this area to entice their employees to upsell. What I mean by that is they'll run a contest for the day or the week or the month and generate a report that displays on the terminals, updating every 30 minutes or so. That way, if we're having a contest on who sells the most wine, the servers can see the results each time they go to a terminal. So let me show you how to set this up. The first step is to make sure that you actually have an event server set up on your system. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate to Miscellaneous General and verify that you have an event station configured. If you don't have an event station, go ahead and select one of the stations in the drop-down list and then select Save and Close. The second step is to set up your stations. So you'll want to go to Locations, Stations, and verify that you have Display Event Blackboards selected on whichever stations you want the sales contest to appear. Once you select Display Event Blackboards, simply select Save and Close. The next step is to configure your report. So you can navigate to Report Setup and select the area and Open Report. And go ahead and let's say we're going to do a wine contest. And the type is going to be a sales contest report. We're going to do this by unit. We're going to do a date range. So we're going to run this for, let's say, the week. We're not going to have a start time and an end time. We're going to have a menu item filter, which is going to be wine bin, which is basically all the wines that are on the canvas wine bin. And we're going to do the top 10 employees by units. So we're going to go ahead and save that. You can configure this however you want. The most important part for this to display on the Blackboard is that you have the destination set to screen. In Focus, any report that has the destination of a screen and is run via an event, which we're going to talk about in a second, will display on the Blackboards. Of course, it will only display on the Blackboards that have this display event Blackboard selected. So once you create your report, you simply go to Miscellaneous Events and you go ahead and set up your event. You can see I already have this set up, but you simply name it. You select the report that you want to use. You mark it as active and you set the frequency. Because this is a sales contest report, we want to do it on an interval, and I'm going to update it every 30 minutes. You could do 15 minutes if you were super busy, but 30 minutes would probably suffice. And that's all you have to do. Once you set that up, within 15 minutes that event's going to run, and it's going to display that report over here in your Blackboard. And you can see here that here is our wine contest report. Obviously, we don't have any data because we haven't run any sales, but that's how you create a report to display on a Blackboard. I hope this feature benefits both you and your customers, and until next time, stay focused.